Looking for an HDMI cable that delivers stunning 4K Ultra HD resolution and flawless audio? This high-speed HDMI cable with Ethernet supports 4K UHD, 3D, Deep Color, Dolby True HD, and DTS-HD Master audio to bring your entertainment to life with crisp, vibrant visuals and immersive sound. What sets this cable apart is its Ethernet capability, allowing you to connect HDMI devices that need online access or firmware updates without extra cables. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or updating your device, it's all streamlined through one reliable connection. Compatibility won't be an issue. This cable works seamlessly with popular brands like ACER, ASUS, Dell, HP, Lenovo, LG, Samsung, Viewsonic, and many more. So, no matter your setup, you can trust it to connect smoothly and perform consistently. Durability is built into every inch. The gold-plated connectors resist corrosion, ensuring optimal signal transfer for both audio and video. That means your picture stays sharp and your sound stays clear over time, even with frequent use. Double shielding with foil and braid protects against unwanted interference that can cause static or blurry images. This thoughtful design guarantees you get noise-free, vivid picture quality, making your viewing experience more enjoyable and reliable. One user shared how this cable simplified connecting an older VHS DVD player to their TV. They praised its straightforward performance, highlighting how it worked just fine without fuss or extra setup. It's proof that this cable combines high-end features with everyday practicality. If you want a cable that supports advanced video formats, reduces clutter with Ethernet integration, and promises long-lasting quality, this is worth a look. It's a straightforward upgrade for anyone seeking better picture and sound without hassle. Try it when you're ready to enhance your home entertainment setup with a dependable HDMI cable designed for today's technology. Clear visuals, strong connectivity, and durable build, this cable delivers what you need.